Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the issue where your WhatsApp contacts aren't syncing with your phone, causing names to not show up properly. Now, this process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, if you have noticed that your contacts aren't appearing or you see a warning in your settings saying contacts aren't synced, it's usually because the app doesn't have the right permissions. So we can fix this quickly without digging through the main phone settings. So here is the shortcut. First, make sure your WhatsApp application is completely closed. Now, on your home screen or app drawer, simply tap and hold on your WhatsApp icon. Then a small menu will pop up, and over there, you should be able to see a little eye icon in a circle or an option that says App Info. Go ahead and just simply tap on that option. Now that you are in the App Info screen, we need to grant WhatsApp access to your phone book. Now, look through the list of options and tap on Permissions, and over here you will see a section called Not Allowed or Denied, and contacts will be sitting right there. Now, I have already changed it on my phone, so the contacts are in Allowed, but in some cases, if the contacts are denied like this, they will be shown in the Denied section right over here, as you can see. So all you do is just simply click on Contacts and click on Allow. Then you can go back, and that should fix the issue. Now, all you have to do is just simply confirm it, and it'll start working, and then you can go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application. Then just head towards the chat or your contact list, and you should see the names are now appearing correctly instead of just numbers. So if you go back into your WhatsApp settings, the warning message about syncing will be completely gone as well, and your phone and WhatsApp are now in perfect sync. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to sync your contacts to ensure all your friends' names are appearing correctly on your WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.